In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Tweezer Bottom Bullish quick and easy guide. Before we jump into the actual steps, let's quickly set the stage. We're working inside Tradingview, which is a popular charting platform that many traders use to analyze markets. The goal here is to add a specific candlestick pattern indicator called Tweezer Bottom Bullish to your chart, so it can automatically highlight potential bullish reversal patterns for you. This saves you time and helps you avoid missing important setups. First, make sure you're logged into your Tradingview account and that you already have a chart open. Any market or time frame will work for this, so just pick the one you normally use. Now, look towards the top of your chart for the Indicators button. It's usually labeled Indicators and sometimes shows up with a small icon that looks like a graph or a set of lines. Go ahead and click on that. This will open the Indicators and Strategies window, which is where you can search for and add any built-in or custom tools to your chart. Inside the search bar of this window, type the word Tweezer. You don't need to type the full indicator name, just Tweezer is enough. As you type, Tradingview will filter the list and show you all indicators related to that keyword. Give it a second if your internet is a bit slow, and make sure you're looking under the built-in or public indicators section. From the list that appears, look for the one specifically called Tweezer Bottom Bullish. The wording might be exactly like that or very close, so read carefully to avoid clicking the wrong pattern. Once you see it, simply click on the name. As soon as you do, Tradingview will automatically add it to your active chart, and you should start seeing markers or highlights wherever that bullish Tweezer bottom pattern appears in your historical price data. At this point, you can hover over those signals and zoom in on the candles to understand how the pattern looks in real market conditions. If you want, you can also open the indicator settings by clicking on the settings icon next to its name in the chart's indicator list and adjust colors, visibility, or alerts to match your personal trading style. Finally, if you're planning to use Tradingview more seriously, consider checking out the affiliate link in the video description for Tradingview Pro. A paid plan can unlock additional indicators per chart, more alerts, and other advanced features that make pattern-based trading much smoother and more efficient.